All right, guys, today is the day. I pulled up on DJ Litty Rocket.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all follow him on his YouTube.
Yeah.
And what are we about to eat?
Shit, we better eat some fufu, some shima, well, a lot of people call it fufu, right? But in Zambia, we call it shima.
Okay.
So
it's a Zambian dish?
It's a Zambian dish. It's not Nigerian. So
Never tried it before.
It's not going to look yellow like everybody be thinking.
Okay.
This one's kind of, you feel me? I'm going to show you. Come on.
All right, let's get it.
Get it in.
All right, so Litty Rocket is about to return to the motherland. He's visiting Africa.
Yeah.
You haven't seen your mom in 10 years?
10 years, bro.
Holy, she's going to be so excited to see you, so proud to see
I
you.
ain't seen my mom in 10 years.
That's crazy. One time for Litty Rocket's mom in the chat. Now, these are the ingredients that we need for today's fufu. And this is you're making a Zambian style fufu, right? Yep. So we got the beef, shimu, we got the greens, and we got right here, the semolina, the sushi. And he said it's not yellow. This is all they had. So we're going to make do with what we got. And normally, you would need a wooden spoon to do this. However, man, college homie, you know what I'm saying? He's got what he's got. So we're going to make it work. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Come on.
So right now, we're going to cut up the greens, you feel me? Gotta be cut thin, you feel me? It has to be thin.
Thinly sliced greens.
And yeah.
They smell fresh.
They do smell fresh, you feel me? You make sure you gotta be fresh.
You're always fresh, though.
Every time, always gotta keep them fresh every time.
And you gotta have these particular greens, right, for this dish?
Yep.
It's a classic.
So these are collard greens. So Americans, when they make the collard greens, they make them fat and everything. Don't get me wrong, that should be smacking.
Yeah.
But mine's, we like boil them and then we fry them.
Okay.
So it's gonna be different.
It's gonna be different. Let's check it out.
It's gonna be different.
Oh my gosh, yo.
What's up?
What's up, man? Who are you?
Breeze Gang General, UAV.
The 5-star general?
Breeze Gang General.
Breeze Gang 5-star general. Come on.
Before you get snitched on.
All right, yo, we got a special guest in here today.
Yo,
3 Kill
what's
Streak
up,
UAV,
Breeze
straight
Gang
out of
General.
Sacramento, the
Yeah,
Breeze Gang
sir.
general.
Yes,
You ever
sir.
tried some fufu?
Fufu? Nah, I only got given fufu.
Okay. Oh. Hey, so we cutting the greens right now. We're going to get right into this. You already know, man. When we get together, bro, it's the big 3. It's Wade, Bosch, and LeBron, bro. Like, we got this crazy.
Yeah,
Y'all don't want to verse us, bro. Y'all don't want to 3v3 us. Just trust, bro.
Hey,
Just-
wait
just-
till our channel come, bro.
Come on, trust.
Be a crazy duo.
Come on.
Crazy true.
Cooking with UAV.
All right, yo, so we got the veggies down pat. Liddy said he's going to take care of the meat. But
So look, we're gonna cut the meat, right? But first thing we're gonna do is take out the fats.
Take the fat caps off.
Yeah, take this fat shit out.
My boy going for a lean meal today. All right, we just got the UAV skit done. Follow 3 Kill Streak UAV on all platforms.
The General.
The General, YouTube, TikTok, IG. It's the same on all 3.
Yes, sir.
What we got going, Liddy? Oh, man. Hold on. All right, so what are we doing?
All right, so when you're making fufu, whatever you call it, fushima, this is the first part right here. Like you gotta make sure you pour it in there, but don't let it get too hard yet. Pause, but too tough. Don't let it get tough. It just has to be soft, and it's the first part. You feel me? You gonna let it boil.
Hey, we got wings with this too?
Alright, Nick.
I'm dead.
Nigga said, do we have any wings with this?
So you put that in, that's boiling water.
Yup.
And you slowly add it in.
Yup.
And that's what gives it the texture.
Yup. But don't let it get too hard yet.
Don't let it get too hard.
Never use this type of cornmeal, bro. So the Indian ones be crazy. So it might just start looking not usual. You feel me? But
Trust the process. Trust the process. And then what do we got over here? This is the other.
Yep,
this is the beef.
You can open that up for sure. The beef going crazy. It's hot.
Nah, I'll just grab one. Yeah, oh my god.
Yeah, the beef going crazy right now.
Oh brother, that smells amazing. Holy.
Holy.
We got Litty Rocket, and not only is he a DJ, this fool knows how to cook. You got the veggies prep. We got everything right here. That's looking like some juice.
So that right there, I just drained it from there. I drained it from that, and I put some of that in
That's
there.
gonna be the gravy.
We're gonna use that for the gravy.
Let's go, my boy.
Boy, no.
He making a roux. All right, we're gonna get back to this here.
We're gonna get this
We'll
right
do a
here.
texture update.
We're gonna leave it like that. Hey, don't get on me for using this, bro. We were not supposed to use this.
Nah, he was adamant that we needed a wooden spoon. We didn't have one on deck.
Bro.
We didn't have. This is the last minute. He's about to go to Africa. This is
for the IG too.
This
bro.
is going away.
Let's do this for the IG
Going
too,
away
bro.
part.
All right. Do this for the IG.
Make sure y'all follow Litty Rocket on IG too.
Man.
All right, Liddy, talk to me. What's next?
All right, so when the water drains on here, we gonna have to fry it. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
And that's when we gonna get to this right here. So you see the juice right here, right? You
Yeah.
gotta drain that from there.
Okay.
But there's a little bit of that left in there. So once that drains up, you're gonna start frying it. Put
The
the
veggies?
onions in there first.
Yeah.
Not the veggies yet, but these right here. So the
Okay.
onions in there first, and then we're gonna put that in there.
Then the tomato.
Tomato, and then we're gonna make some gravy. And then for that, I literally use tomato paste.
Oh, that's
So
clutch.
literally like
That's
most of the stuff.
valid.
So that my dad taught me like a new thing to do, because what I usually do is like I put it in there, right, and then throw it in the microwave and it boils up. But now my dad just told me I can just do it straight up, boil that, and then you pour it in there.
Shout out to your pops.
Gravy finna go crazy.
Come on, man.
Tell you.
All right, yo. This is Vaughn Snow.
What's up with it?
Just tell him a little bit about yourself.
Shit, I'm an actor. I'm an artist. I make music. We here to get this vlog on the fufu going. You don't know nothing about the fufu, do you?
I ain't never tried it.
You never tried it?
First time
you
trying
gonna
it.
Love it. Is it a goosey soup you making?
We're gonna find out.
He African. You know what I mean? It might be the lion. You feel me?
All right, yo.
All right, so vegetables right here. We got the onion. Onion gonna go in first. Yes, that's quick.
We got 2/3 of the Trinity right there.
So some of this is going to the greens, bro.
Okay.
So know that, yeah.
We're gonna save some for the greens.
I don't know if niggas be eating onions, because one of my roommates, he don't eat vegetables at all, bro.
That's
He's
crazy.
allergic to that.
That's crazy. Oh.
Tomato, all of it is going in there, bro.
Beautiful. Chef Liddy. Oh my gosh, dude. He chefs, he does content, and he cooks, and he makes DJing.
I heard he's secretly Superman too.
That's my girl.
Come on.
I'm also a Superman in bed.
Stop.
He's a comedian for real.
Just kidding, chat.
I'm about to... All right, yo. So Litty Rocket, he's cooking this up, but I'm gonna teach him a little trick. You ready? Open that.
What is he about to do?
Open this.
All right, hold on.
Hold it up.
You're not gonna put all of it in there. Hold on.
No?
Nah. I'm gonna just put like a little bit of it, because you're gonna make it go bad.
Yeah, you can't mess up.
Yeah, hold on.
the
Don't mess it up. Gotta wash your greens.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Gotta wash the
them
greens.
Wash them, feel me? Make sure they, feel me? Wash them.
Like me and Florida Jason was just talking about it too.
There's a lot of bacteria out there, y'all.
Someone too get hella fatigue.
She made a little clean in the store. The store, actually, Food Max, where I got them from, they have water running
I
on
don't
it.
know.
Like,
Sometimes
at least like after like 5
for me,
minutes.
sometimes I
Yeah.
just
Which is good.
playing where I
But
I
we got
start
this right here,
really
so
locking in, and sometimes I
we smooth ski, you know what I'm saying?
Keep it clean.
You know what I'm saying? Cause that's tough.
Now, does that go in the dish with the beef?
Huh?
That goes in the same pot as the beef?
No,
Oh, okay. It's its own thing.
it's its own thing. You gonna ruin it if you do that.
Gotcha.
You're not gonna ruin it, but I seen my grandma do that.
Yeah.
I was thinking about doing
I personally do not believe in that.
Okay.
So for the
They get their own pot.
For the greens right here, you don't even put water in it. The water is literally gonna start like forming by itself. All we have to do is just put salt in it, and that's it.
Okay.
Dude, that's a good idea. I ain't gonna lie. Off the viral.
Well, you put some
too. While still.
You said some garlic salt and some regular salt?
Nah, we just put.
You got carbs
Oh, okay.
It's good because we don't need too much seasoning in
I
here.
live up the street, but if Liddy got some, it's you too.
What? What you need?
You got Uno cards?
I gotta check. I most likely do. Alright, so
So now you're adding more in,
yeah,
which
so
is gonna
yeah,
thicken it up.
thicken it up for me. It starts to get like bubbles and stuff like that, but just keep it going, twin. Promise y'all, I was not supposed to use this, bro. Damn, I'm mad about that, bro. I don't know how I didn't think about that.
Well, now you gotta go get a wooden spoon.
Could have stopped by like Marshall or something like that. Marshall's be having it, bro.
Marshalls do have wooden spoons for sure on lock.
They got some in there, feel me? They be having shit that you don't think you need from Marshall.
You could probably get one from AutoZone at this rate, bro. They have a lot of shit.
Some shit, bro.
Oh, okay. I can see it starting to form
You
up.
can see it forming up there, right?
Man, it's like cooking coke. Go grab my coat hanger.
Can you open that?
This is why he really needs the wooden spoon. It's getting harder to whip.
Hey, let's show them for real. For me, like, hold on. This is why we need the wooden spoon right here.
All right, you can see the texture now.
You can see the texture now, right?
It's really starting to thicken up. Starting to locken up.
Man, huh?
Alright, turn this guy off.
This is why he needs the wooden spoon, y'all. Now we know.
Alright, we gonna get to the vegetables now.
Green's looking good.
We gotta
Nice and steamed.
get the fork up.
Predicted it.
This is the part that you don't like. I gotta put oil in there. Now, alright.
Bird's about to take a bath.
So you dump it in. You dump it in water, right? In there like that. It comes out a little smoothly. It's more smooth.
Nice. Oh, yeah. So you get your spoon wet.
Gotta get it wet. Gotta get it wet in the mouth.
Then you drop the fufu. It's interesting to see the different types of ingredients and dishes that are served with proteins.
Which one my plate?
Like I got,
Which one my plate?
The one with the least.
Which one my plate?
they got tortillas.
Vaughn, who invited you to the party?
The Asians got the
Which one's
rice.
my plate, man?
Who invited bro to
My
the party?
boy got the
Which one's my
fufu.
plate? I invited myself.
Bro, being stingy with
said
the
run him the
food.
plate.
Being stingy with
Come
the
on,
food,
man.
bro.
Y'all boys ain't,
Man,
y'all
look.
niggas ain't put in.
Hey, hold on, I got you, bro.
Oh, this nigga.
Oh, yeah. Tip him, twin.
I got you.
Hey, twin, bro, I got you, bro.
Yep, there you go.
I got you, man.
None of these is African dollars, bro. We need kwachas, not this, bro.
Bro, I don't have any rupees. I have these.
Pesos.
You got it. You got it. This
All right.
part right here, bro.
This is that's what we've been waiting for. Ooh, packed with flavors.
Yeah, this the first one.
Okay.
And then, you know how I gotta do it. Gotta do it
Can't
with
forget the
this.
greens. Gotta have the balanced, nutritious meal.
Yep.
All right, yo, the moment of truth. This is the plate. We've got the fufu shimu.
Shima.
Shima.
Shima, yeah.
Fufu Shima. Chef Litty Rocket.
Yeah.
Sacramento.
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all boys. We got that. You feel me? It's done now. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Damn.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
That fast?
Damn.
You were supposed to get that on camera. That's why.
Yeah, I was. I'm like, damn.
Bro, so nah.
So look, when I say, all right, y'all, we done. I'm like, all right, y'all, the food ready, and then when the food ready, just pull it out like that. I'm like, damn.
Okay,
And
I'm
for
ready.
the juice, so this how you gonna do it. You gonna do it like that, right?
Oh,
Do it like that, and then you try it.
Yep. All right.
That motherfucker spicy.
Ain't too spicy, but that motherfucker just good. You gotta try it with this.
All right, that boy UAB going in. Talk to me. Talk to me. They got the flavors. What do you think?
I ain't gonna lie. The fufu is poo-poo.
What about you, Vaughn?
Oh, I'm almost done.
Shit,
I'm almost done.
Look down there. Oh,
bro.
That boy Liddy playing with his food. I'm over here. I'm almost done too. Look at me. Catching up.
Chad, it's been like 5 minutes, bro.
nah, when you get it with
I ain't gonna lie.
with the meat.
The meat is crazy. Pause. Liddy, your meat is crazy,
The
bro.
meat, your meat, bro, is fucking crazy.
Gotta
Pause.
get it all up in there.
He ate it up, man.
Nah, this is crazy. You snap. You snap.
He said his dad black.
The tomatoes.
Cisco Phil be making money, leaving his kids doing streaming.
So that's his first
Hold on,
name.
look.
Nah, this hit different.
I'm glad I'm fucking with it.
Again?
Hell yeah, bro. Thank you.
Again?
I think the next challenge is that I have to make it for you.
Yeah.
Drop a comment if you want me to make Litty Rocket some fufu, and I'll spin the block.
Where you at?
Veggies are hitting, boy. Hey, hide his plate. Put it in the oven.
Flip the camera.
Put his plate in the oven real quick.
Got shit in there.
Nigga, it's
Is it
9
hot?
minutes away.
No, that's straight. Just put it in there.
Huh? You better flip the camera again.
I just did.
Flip the camera again.
I was out late.
No, you wasn't. You was on the freeway. You fucking liar.
Hey, tell us the guy's food is done, bro.
The food's done. We eating, but he don't want to flip the camera because he nowhere near.
What happened?
I thought I had my plate somewhere right here.
You ate it.
No, I did not eat it.
Nigga.
I thought you just ate it.
Where my food go?
It's
We
fresh
literally
and it's
all-
gonna be cold by the time you get
Hold on,
here.
hold on. Nigga, I'm not done with my food. I gotta eat my sugar.
I know you on the freeway. Flip the
You
camera
finished it,
again.
I thought.
Where my food at, bro?
Bro, I'm not looking at your
No, you're
face.
not.
Bro,
I thought you finished it, bro. We all
you
finished
niggas
it.
in my crib, and I
Exactly.
had my own food.
I know niggas.
I
You
hope
too
y'all didn't
scared
put it
to
in the
flip the
fridge.
camera. It's all good.
What up, just playing a prank for his vlog?
Everybody here know you gonna pull up late anyway, so.
Or-
Not time to do the pranks. Give me my food, bro. Give me my food.
I've been here for at least an hour now.
Funny ass nigga, huh?
It went on a little longer than I expected. Because he actually was like looking for it for a second.
Probably like approximately like 45 minutes.
Bro's eating without YouTube. Like, come
To
on.
an hour. To an hour. You forgot. You didn't hear
hour.
that last part.
Sorry. I should get a fuck, bro.
I'm not gonna lie.
45 to an hour.
Yeah.
Post-
for sure, 45.
Post fufu analysis while Litty Rocket is still eating in the background.
You
I'm
can.
gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. They hit all the right spots.
You know what I'm saying?
The flavors, I think it all gets. The way that it's prepared, you can tell it takes a long time to make. You gotta love what you're doing. You gotta love the process because it's a real delicate recipe. So for that, I gotta give you your credit, your respect. 10 out of 10.
Appreciate it, bro.
Try the fufu. You're gonna love it. If Litty Rocket makes it for you.
Yeah.
Come on now, I'm a real,
What you got, bro?
a real African, bro.
Got, bro. that boy eating. Chat. He put up late, bro. He put up. He put up late, chat.
Huh? You eat
That
it
boy-
with the greens too?
That boy put up
Go
late,
crazy.
bro.
Yeah.
Greens had to do with greens for sure, bro.
I fuck with it.
Smooth.
It tastes like Ethiopian food.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot this nigga's damn near Ethiopian, bro.
What do you think, Sanaj?
That shit
It's
good.
valid?
Yeah.
Worth the drive? 10 minutes away?
Food don't really have a flavor, bro. It's just
No,
for
no,
texture.
that's what I was telling him. I was like, you know how to
Yeah,
flavor.
that's why you need to make sure.